Hey guys, today let's learn how to restore the vertical status on WhatsApp. So if you want to go ahead and restore the vertical status layout on your WhatsApp application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to restore that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So from here, let's go ahead and just tap on the updates tab right here. And in the case that basically your statuses of your friends are set to vertical or basically horizontal layout, in order for us to restore that to normal, we actually need to go ahead and unfollow some of the channels that we are currently following. Now, this is the main reason as to why we are receiving or we are seeing the status in a horizontal layout. This is because instead of course, filling in the vertical layout over here, it is going to be put on the horizontal layout because the current space over here is being filled by the channels that we follow. So what we need to do is to tap on the channels that we follow, tap on their names, and then unfollow them, and do the same with the rest of the channels that you follow. What this is going to do is it's going to free up some space on your updates tab, giving you the old orientation of your WhatsApp vertical status. So that's how you guys can easily do that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.